Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. I wasn't expecting this package today. I was actually expecting it 2 days from now, like Wednesday, but it came earlier than I expected. I was shook when the USPS man knocked on the door. Oh my goodness, guys. So I'm really glad, guys, because I did not know what to film today. So I'm really glad that I received my package or my palette from Tati Beauty. Oh my god, I was talking about this palette last Friday, so I finally got my palette. So before I'm going to do my first impressions, swatches, makeup tutorial of this palette, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now without further ado, let's go jump. I said on my video last Friday that the packaging reminded me of a Morphe palette, Morphe palette, but touching it, guys, like having the palette like in person, it's way better. I have like I think I only have 2 palettes from Morphe, but this packaging is way better. Feels really nice, feels expensive, feels heavy, you know, it feels expensive, and it feels really almost like velvet feeling to it. Same with the unique cotton. So here it is, and this palette retails for $48. So if you don't wanna pay right away, she also offers oh my god, I can't even talk today. Afterpay, we could, you know, pay the palette every 2 weeks and without interest. So here it is, guys. It says in here Tati Beauty. I am really excited for this one. I've been watching Tati's videos since she had like 100,000 subscribers. Right now she has, I think she has almost like 10 million, and I'm so happy for her. And I mean, one thing I like about her, I mean, I think she never done like a sponsored video, correct me if I'm wrong. So she have been doing videos for almost 10 or maybe 12 years. So I mean, that's very impressive. I mean, her money is like mainly on like ads, I think, and she has a lot of views, but mainly on the ads. And you know, I think she never done, like I mentioned before, I've been repeating myself, never done a sponsored video. That's very rare for like a YouTuber nowadays, and that's very amazing. And the party, like the launch party, she did not invite influencers. She invited her viewers or her subscribers. Now that's very I mean, rare. I really love that she what do you call that one, appreciated her subscribers, invited them to her party. So I mean, that's amazing. So I'm really happy for her. So I mean, that's why, you know, I bought this palette. Let me read like the story behind the palette, like an overview. An exclusive collection that includes 24 pans of thoughtfully crafted shadows and glitters developed by Tati Wesbrook. Textured Neutrals Volume 1 introduces 6 monochromatic color stories featuring 4 new looks, textures, and finishes. This universally flattering neutral palette begins with a row of prismatic glitters that cascade into shimmering metallics, sequin pinpoints, and ultra-rich creamy matte shadows. Beautiful is your story to tell. So I'm going to show you guys the inside of the palette. And here it is, and you can see this huge mirror, which I really appreciate. And the colors are like my type of shades. And these are the, says it here, glitters. This part right here. These are the metallics, sequins. I love that. I mean, it has a label. And these are the mattes on the bottom part. So it says in here memory. So here, memory, ritual, yeah, ritual here. I think like the story behind with each row. So this one's story, this is soothe on this side, aura, and poet. So I mean, the colors are really pretty. You know, I love super glittery. I love like shimmery. I mean, I am really looking at the pressed glitter eyeshadows. So let me feel it again. Oh my goodness, it feels really nice. Let me swatch it again for you guys. Oh my god, so pretty, and it doesn't feel like a Vaseline. So I'll be taking the shades so I'll be taking this shade, this light brown shade. Going to use this concealer, same one, Infallible Longwear Concealer. I'm going to use this one. This is a sequin finish from the Soothe Story roll. Use my finger first. Excuse the lighting right now is so bad. I'm going to use the same color, this one. So moving on with my cheeks, I'll be using the Juno & Co. their new Perfect Me Cheek Defining Kit in the shade Cherry Bomb. So this is for light to medium skin tone. They also have medium to dark. So I'll be, oh my god, taking the shade, this bronzer first. And okay, so for the lips, I'll be using the House of Laboratories lip pencil in the shade Rule, and then Alab Story times Colourpop in the shade Dose. No, Sueno de Coco. Now I'm going to gather up my thoughts. Excuse the lighting because it's acting up. I don't know what's going on with my ring light. I might have to buy a new one. So the packaging is nice, feels really nice, feels expensive, feels velvety, feels heavy, doesn't feel like a Morphe palette. And then this mirror here looks dirty, sorry. A huge mirror, and I really appreciate. This is a very unique, style. I really love that she labeled each finish. First glitters, second roll metallics, sequins, and mattes. The mattes were very easy to blend. They were not super pigmented. I had to dip my brush like 3 to 4 times. I didn't mind at all, as long as they were very easy to blend. And then the only thing that I had a little bit of fallout was the shade Poet. It's very common for like burgundy shades, red shades, like so much fallout, like a little bit powdery. And then overall guys, I really love the matte shades. And then the metallic shades, I only use one, this one right here. I use my finger first and then apply a not wet brush, a dry brush, sorry. So I didn't have to use a damp brush to get like pigmentation to this one. So I was really impressed. And then the glitters, you know, I love pressed glitter eyeshadows. I love very shimmery glittery eyes. These two, oh my goodness, they were very easy to apply. Of course, pressed glitter eyeshadows, so much fallout, I mean, very common. So you have to do your eye makeup first and then your face makeup. So these had so much fallout, but they were still very beautiful on the eyes. So I mean, I am very impressed with this palette, and I cannot wait for volume 2. So I'm definitely going to use this one more. I mean, I could see myself using this palette again for $48. I mean, it should be. So I mean, these are the type of shades that I use every day, so I cannot wait to use this palette again. I highly recommend this one. Congratulations, Tati Wesbrook, for your amazing palette. So I cannot wait for volume 2, and let me know guys if you purchased her first palette or volume 1, and let me know about what you think about the palette. So this would be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.